This is a demo of the MAST SID test interface. It represents a different paradigm from filtering than the MAST data discovery portal, as the SID test database contains many more records than the current MAST database. What you'll see over here on the left are two broken out sets of columns that we use. There's the primary columns, which are always on by default, and then some ancillary columns that you can pick from down here. So the primary way to search through the SID interface is that we've pre-computed these histograms of the values for each that are possible in each facet, and we can come up with ways of anding and oring together these filters to give us a query that will give us a reasonable number of results. So for instance, we could get a reasonable number of results simply by picking FGS or MIRI, or maybe we want to try both. You see that these are combined here. We're saying that we want our instrument to be FGS or MIRI in this case. And then perhaps we want some particular test goal that's been associated with these words. That's good. We've gotten down to 270 of those original 230,000 rows have an instrument of FGS or MIRI and a test goal of anomalies. I'll go ahead and download these to my computer right now. And now what we have is what looks like a normal MAST data discovery portal result. You have the facets that are automatically computed from the data that give you values that seem to make sense. You get your numeric columns with the histograms that are generated for you. And so again, as always, we want to be able to download our data. In this case, I'll say I want to pick this record. Now what you see, I clicked on one row and several rows got added. And in this case, what you'll notice is that these test numbers coincide with these test numbers. Now what actually happened is that all of the files and the packages associated with this test number were added to the basket simultaneously. And unfortunately, that's just the way it has to work for now. But that shouldn't be too big of a deal. So now, as for retrieving them, now we still have to go through DADS. So there's no direct download method as of yet. So when we open it up, we go to the DADS page that you probably have seen before. You have to log in with this archive username and password, and then you'll be able to download them as you've done before. This concludes the MAST SID test interface demo. For more of our demos, please check out our YouTube site.